We are live.
Hello, everybody. Everybody on site in Dubai and everybody tuning in and watching us from every single part of the globe. It's time to officially start the last day of the AI Genesis Hackathon. All the projects have been submitted, and now it's time to start the pitches. We've got over 30 teams that will pitch their projects that they have been building for the last 5 days in here. Every single team will have 3 minutes to pitch. And let's start with the first team. I'd like to welcome on stage Team Inference Labs. You've got your 3 minutes. Is the Team Inference Labs with us today?
Orion AI. Orion AI next.
Unfortunately, the Team Inference Labs is not with us here right now, so it's time for the Team Orion Labs. Is Team Orion Labs with us today?
Okay. Okay, next. Jarvis.
Unfortunately, if the team doesn't make it on time, they lose the chance to pitch. If we've got enough time in the end, we'll invite the next team. Let me check the next one.
Jarvis.
Is the team less than 3 with us today?
Jarvis. Jarvis.
Team less than 3. Okay. One last chance. Team Inference Labs. Team Orion Recap AI. Team less than 3. Let's go with the next one. Team Akai Space. Is that team today with us? Team Alex Dream.
Projektami może czytaj.
Team Pancakes. Team Next Floor. Team Level Up.
Projektami czytaj.
Team Deep Rush DJ. Let's welcome to the stage Team Level Up. The floor is yours.
Może projektami czytać, bo nie, pewno niektórzy nie ogarniają, może jaki team dzisiaj.
I don't have any slides. I'm going to just talk about the project. So I hope everything's good. Good?
Nie miał slajdy na GitHubie.
Everyone hates doing inventory. It's tedious, it's time consuming, and error prone. Shop owners spend 30 plus hours counting shelves, checking expiration dates, and entering manually data. Work that keeps them from running their business. The numbers are stunning. Independent 24/7 shops lose 50K annually to waste and inefficiency. They're stuck with tools built for chains, too expensive, too complex, or missing the autonomous reality entirely. We build a solution that doesn't just automate inventory, we built the AI foundation that makes it possible. Using Qdrant vector database as our core infrastructure, we built an AI foundation that makes it possible. We've created more than an inventory system. We've built an intelligence layer that powers real-time OCR, natural language queries, and predictive analytics, all from a single scan of your shelves. This isn't just automation. Our platform delivers 4 integrated modules: real-time inventory via camera OCR, intelligent point of sales analytics, automated waste prevention, and RAG-powered insights where owners ask questions in plain language and get instant answers from our vector database. But the real innovation is our network layer. Once multiple shops in a city use Shop Nexus, we activate the peer-to-peer marketplace. Shop A's excess bread becomes Shop B's emergency order, delivered in minutes. Waste drops significantly. Emergency coverage becomes near 100%. This only works because every shop runs the same inventory truth
Co
system.
pokazać?
The autonomous retail segment is exploding. 82 billion today, growing to 600 billion by 2034. We're targeting the
Czytaj
fastest
projektami,
growing
mówię ci.
sub-segment.
Task Loop
Independent
wczoraj dla mnie
24/7 shops across Europe and Asia. But beyond the market size, this solves a real problem. We're giving independent shop owners the same intelligence tools as large chains have, but built for their reality. We're turning inventory from a burden into a competitive advantage. We're creating the brain of autonomous retail,
Backlog działa.
a system where
Działa zegar?
24/7
Działa
shops run
Tak.
themselves,
Jak
inventory
będziesz
manages
teraz
itself,
testuj zegar.
and every store becomes a connected node in a living, intelligent network. Thank you very much. And given the opportunity, I would also wish my teammate happy birthday. He has birthday today.
First pitch done. Then, as many teams did not make it on time to pitch their projects, I'll call the team names and project names one more time. So if you hear your team name, you need to jump on the stage immediately to present your solution. If not, unfortunately, we cannot let you pitch later. So we might actually fit in more teams to pitch on site. Reading the teams one by one. If you hear your team name, jump on stage. Team Inference Labs with the project Truth Tensor. Is the team here with us? Next up, Team Orion Recapy with the project Orion AI. Let's welcome Team Orion Recapy. The stage is yours.
Kurde, trzeba im powiedzieć, powiesz im, żeby się przesunęli jakoś na bok, bo ja muszę tutaj przechodzić.
No to się zamieni.
No, nie mówię
Dobra, ale wyszukiwanie pracy.
not
To
now.
8 minutes. Come on down.
Go.
See you guys here.
Go. Can you guys move? I need space to walk. To jest to, dlatego mówiłam Ci, żeby mieć 15 teamów, 20, nie 30, bo to zawsze tak jest.
everyone. So I'm Qdrant. I am representing Team Orion AI. What we have been doing so far in the hackathon is it's kind of a GTM engine for enterprises, which means I have been working for enterprises for many years. Their sales engine, their customer support, and so on. And one big problem that they are facing is like they have large context of training, or let's say they have a lot of rules for their sales engine. They cannot make mistake because it's a branding reputation. So we built at Orion, it's a kind of a GTM engine for outreach, especially with, let's say there is a hyper context data, large context data. So Orion does the outreach on behalf of enterprise to the customers. So how it works, it's more like as I mentioned, generic SDR agents cannot work for enterprises because they are workflow builder. And what we are doing here at Orion is let me go to directly to the solution stage. Firstly, we let all the document training happening to the layer one, which means they can upload hundreds of documents about their sales playbook and processes. Second layer is all about their ICP segmentation because for different ICP, different services, different messaging work. So second layer is all about the segmentation of leads. And then what our AI does is like it finds the relevant information for the ICP from the knowledge base and it does the matchmaking. So after doing the matchmaking, it finds the right content from your large chunk of database. And once you have this very curated information, then AI does the research about that particular deal. So let's say you got one ICP deal, AI is supposed to do the research about the deal from real-time web search and so on. And once you have real-time web search and your pre-trained data enabled, then it drafts email or across all the touch points, let's say LinkedIn or WhatsApp or other channels. It creates those automated drafting of emails and sends that. So last stage in my product is the workflow. If we know like tools like NHN or Zapier, they are workflow builder. And before workflow, I'm doing 6 stages to ensure like enterprises are able to adopt the AI in the right way. So this is what I have built as a GTM engine for the outreach for B2B enterprise company. Our architecture very much involved around the layer I talked about. Layer 1, we are storing the document with Qdrant. We are using Gemini API across different stages. And also matchmaking is being very much driven by the Qdrant knowledge-based vector matching systems. And then draft, email, and so on. This is a kind of a native stack we have developed. And workflow builder, in those last 3 days while we're working here at this online plus on-site event, we built our workflow tool, like workflow builder. So where one can create their own AI agent. Let me just quickly show a small demo of it.
You are. Fact.
So summarize, there is this workflow builder which we have developed natively while in this hackathon event.
Thank you very much. Now I'd like to invite the next team on the stage. Team less than 3 with the project Jarvis. Is the team here with us?
Skip. Next.
Then next up, Team Akai Space with the project Akai Space. Is the team here with us?
Skip.
Team The Alex Dream with the project Brave Guard Agent. Is the team present?
Skip.
Then next up, Team Pancakes with the project Task Loop.
Yeah.
Let's welcome on the stage Team Pancakes. The stage is yours.
Asiu, jak następnym razem wyjdziesz, powiedz, że po prostu powiedz tak, teraz rob pancakes, a następnie jest inny i on ma już
Tak
przygotować komputer,
tak
że już
zrobię,
tylko przychodzi i podłącza, że nie było takich akcji, nie?
Tak zrobimy.
Że,
Good idea. Very
tak, że
good.
ma być...
What's your name? Watch out on Discord announcement.
Looks map AI. Looks map AI. It's here or not?
Are you on Discord?
No, I'm in Discord, but
Check
I
this
sent him
email.
an
You
email.
check the list. You have to check the list. We chosen 30
On
projects.
the end,
On
we'll
the-
open it for the project that want to pitch.
Yes, if there will be
If
time.
time allows us, you'll be able to pitch
But,
because so many teams
but
miss.
I sent in on Google and Gmail. You sent me email. You sent email and I
Requested. Maybe your
Calm
submission.
down, you will be able to pitch in the end.
Okay.
Many teams miss their spot, so you can jump in instead of them.
Okay, my team is looks map AI. If you don't see anyone,
Looks map.
looks map. Looks map. Looks map. Looks map. AI.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks you so much.
Because many teams didn't lost their spot.
And I'm excited. Thanks.
Just to query, so this Wi-Fi, I've been trying, it's not connecting, so that's why I was not to show the demo. But I think this was not the thing.
Don't worry, there was no time anyways. However, you should just see your online submissions anyways.
Yeah, that's the thing. So I think there is no demo thing mentioned, so I didn't show the demo, but Wi-Fi is not working here.
I know that the time was up anyways, but don't worry, you did well.
Hello. Good morning, everyone. This is Ahmed from Team Pancakes, and we're here to tell you about our application in task. First of all, let me introduce our team for you. This is me, Tarek, Laith, Malik, and Rawan. Together, we built Taskloom. So, what is Taskloom, and what's the idea behind Taskloom? Taskloom is an AI tool that extracts chats from communication channels, but currently we're targeting Slack, and convert them into tasks that you can focus on. The problem that led us to Taskloom in the first place is that we're working in a Slack workspace, especially as a developer, you'll be getting messages from different sorts of people. You'll be getting messages from the dev team, from sales team, let's say, or maybe you have a
Jeden
monitoring channel that
komputer
you set
będzie
up, so
ze
you
wszystkimi
keep track of all your
odpalonymi
logs.
prezentacjami,
With
będzie
all of these
podłączony
messages,
tutaj
you will get
i
lost.
będzie
So we
prezentacja
invented
w tle i gadająca
Taskloom,
głowa
what it does
w
is that
ładzie,
it goes
że będzie
through
całość.
your
Ja
Slack
już mam pomysł, jak to
workspace,
zupgrade'ować.
I ten
extracts all the
stream
relevant
trzeba
messages,
skillować.
and using the power of
StreamYard,
AI, it
no
will
jak
pick
widać
up
Teraz
the
nie dałem
relevant
rady, bo nie mam
messages for you
grafik, ale
as
później
tasks.
normalnie będzie
For the
Trzeba
product,
stosować,
we
dlatego,
developed, as you
dlatego
can
ty się
see
wkurzałeś, że ja
here,
ci
you have
mówiłam, a
all of
mówiłam
your
ci, że
chats
rano
as
już masz
subtasks
gotowe
right
na
here
streama, a
provided.
potem...
Ale był
You
gotowy.
have priority, high, medium, low, so
Był
you can
gotowy,
focus on.
tylko musi
Each
po tym
task
jak
can be
internet
finished with AI,
dokupiłem,
and
to
in
mi
case you
przestało
want to
działać.
search for something
No,
that is
dlatego
not in
właśnie
here,
trzeba
you
w tym
can
siedzieć,
use
nie
our big
dotykać.
search and search for
Ale
the
jeżeli
search
chodzi o
for
to nie było już
chat
też grafik, ale
that
następnym razem
will
będzie,
trigger
wiesz,
that
wszystko
in your
będzie
Slack
zrobione.
workspace. And the good thing about this is each task can be finished with AI. So you focus on coding
There's
stuff
a table
and you
that
write
Andrea
code
was
or you
referring
finish the remaining stuff using Gemini.
But
One the place to leave my bag.
For the technology we
You can
use
leave
Nux
it.
as our front-end engine, we use Ruby as the back-end render for hosting, and Gemini as the heart of all.
Oddać. It's lovely.
To give you a deeper look into our application, we extract all of the messages, give them through a Wi-Fi to Gemini. Gemini will extract the relevant stuff for you and display it on screen. Hello everyone, my name is Tarek. So basically, let's talk about competition. We have Tina AI and AI. Both of them are direct competitors. But the thing is, Tina AI, for example, they focus on not task completion, but rather generation. And we focus on task completion, and Tina AI, it does ticket routing. We complete tasks. We do proactive action, basically. And then you have Spoke AI, which is focusing on summarization rather than completing tasks.
Time is up. Thank you very much. As you see, 3 minutes is really sharp. 2 minutes. So use your time wisely. Thank you very much. Now, time for the next team is the team next floor with the project Sustainability Score Smart Assistant here with us. Team next door. Then we're going with the next one. Team Deep Rush DJ with the project Fly Manual Intelligence Agent. Team Deep Rush DJ. Team is here and the stage is theirs.
Good afternoon. Good morning, all. So today we're going to talk about the problem which the aviation industry always had for decades, but no solution for that. We have an actual AI co-pilot with aviation assistance, which will not hallucinate in real-life scenarios or emergency scenarios. So we're going to be going through all of that since the time limit and we'll skip this part. So the problem. So every training pilot has to go through a lot of manuals like FOB, QRH, MEL, which are like 2,000, 4,000 pages. And every pilot or a training pilot should search manually through these periods. But when the real life scenarios come in and the emergency training scenarios come in, most of the pilots fail. We want AI to compress all these manuals and answer rapidly with checklist assistance, aviation reasoning, and diagram intelligence. Why now? So modern LLMs can handle diagrams and reasoning, but 2,000 pages of manuals and 50 manuals, this is not possible. The solution is this application. So I'm going to give you a quick demo. So first up, flight manual intelligence agents. So we have partnered with a couple of airlines and training schools which have provided us some questions that we can ask to this flight agent. Okay, usually don't take that time. I'm having the presentation. So the manual QNH is a multimodal intelligence that combines Gemini service to AppliedAI vector search, which makes it well faster. Then we have a procedures coach, which can be used in emergency scenarios such as landing gear failure, engine failure, and any other scenarios. And then we have the scenario trainer, which can turn dry manuals into an interactive session of learning about the aviation industry. So what's under the hood? That's a system architecture. We are using embeddings as a vector search, a RAG module, and of course Gemini. So the future roadmap for this, we can process chat memory, web topics, real-time coaching, and aircraft type expansion. So current.
Thank you very much. And yeah, as we hear, the time limit is not over. Now I'd like to invite to join the stage Team Synapse Sign with the project Synapse Sign Real-Time Speech to Sign Language. Is the Team Synapse Sign with us today? Seems that they didn't make it. Then next up, we've got Team Clarity Case with the project, and the Synapse team made it. So next up, after the Synapse Sign team, I would love to invite Team Clarity Case to join us.
Hej! Więcej nie zostawiam. Więcej Maćka z tym samego nie zostawiam. Jeden task. Zaczęła się pół godziny później. Nie, idzie. Teraz 5. team. Z kolejny case. Maćkowi Maciek, Max 15, team 24.
Hello.
34.
Hi everyone, this is Synapse. I actually started this as a small experiment for a hackathon. But very quickly, I realized how serious the problem is. Most deaf users can't rely on subtitles because English grammar and sign language grammar are completely different. And in many places, such as schools, clinics, and help desks, interpreters aren't available. That's why I built this. Synapse is a real-time AI system that takes English input and translates it into clear sign language output, not word for word, but using correct grammar structure or sign language. It then instantly retrieves or generates visual sign cards, and the whole thing runs on a multi-agent workflow. Each part, translation, glossing, cache retrieval works independently, which keeps it fast and reliable. Let me show the translation flow using one of the cache techniques. As you can see, the English sentence is converted into sign language grammar, and the sign cards appear instantly from cache. Each card has details, feedback options, and metadata. This shows the agent working behind the scenes. Translation, glossing, retrieval, synthesis, all coordinated in a pipeline. This is what makes the system stable and modular. And here, you can see the workflow, how data moves from one agent to another to complete the translation. And this is Gloss Labs. It lets us see how to use sentences. It's rewritten into structured sign language grammar. Even with cache errors, the transformation is clear. We also compute semantic embeddings, which helps the system understand related concepts. This is useful for learning more and future dataset expansion. And the app tracks performances and cache usage, so translations stay consistent and quick. So that's Synapse by combining grammar-aware translation, caching, embedding, and a multi-agent workflow. We're building a tool that makes communication much easier for the deaf user. The next step is to expand the dataset, improve the gloss further, and collaborate with the deaf community for accuracy and feedback. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Now I'd like to invite to the stage the next team. Is Team Clarity Case with us today? Team Clarity Case? Yes, that part was many people have heard. And if you've never experienced that, then you after being asked and told me to breathe and practice mindfulness, I decided I wanted the emotional person. So I took the love of true crime and I combined it to make clear our love crime scene reflects the evidence of what was done. Here was your birthday, broke up with you on your anniversary, we've got a whole protection toolkit, so as you work your case, and then the first part is the crime scene. After that, we want to profile our person. Is he a narcissist, an avoidant, emotionally sensitive, failure to launch syndrome? Then, the truly important part, the tactics. Because you know what the con was, and you know who the con man is, you gotta know where it's on. So, was it love bombing? Let's find out. That wasn't our friend. As we go through, it's all going through a real murder escort true crime court. So you're going to submit your evidence for a verdict. AI is your co-detective. So you're getting a psychological framework while getting that hard feel. Here's a potential market opportunity. The wellness industry is a billion-dollar industry, and it's all full of CB tools to tell you to breathe. So I think that there's a good position for a very niche app that targets victims of narcissistic abuse who are otherwise not seen in the community. I also think we have a B2B implication. I want to have a freemium model where the core user journey is free because everyone deserves to close the case on toxic relationships. Sorry, jumped a little there. I'm looking to collaborate with women's crisis groups and other people that are survivors. These are our numbers. And I hope that you don't like to build relationships. That doesn't mean relationships that means toxic family members. That friendly appearance. So thank you for giving us the time to share our topics. Woo! Thank you very much. Next up, I'd like to invite to the stage Team 1 Cup Deep. Is the team with us right now? They are. So just in case for the next team to prepare, after Team 1 Cup Deep, I'd like to invite Team L9.
What we do is actually also do this and we also provide proposals to the government
Przede wszystkim można mówić o tym, żeby głośno.
Okay, hi guys. Before I start, I want to ask a question. Can you guys show of hands if you hate lead code interviews? That's a whole lot of people. Wow. Okay, so I came here all the way from Egypt because I want to solve the problem of lead code interviews and the myth of interview process. So this is Farida. She's a CS graduate. GPA 3.8. I applied for 200 jobs and I got
Ma storytelling w ogóle, jak przeglądamy jej preskę, bardzo fajne.
400 hours wasted in lead code just to prove I can write an array that can flip itself. And now, the problem is not just me and it's not just the candidates, and it's surprising that even the executives think the interview process is broken. And according to the way, the technical interviews is like a real gap in experience and they don't have. So the current approaches are either lead code, and we know the problem, human-only interviews, and this is very hectic for like the interviewers and for the teacher team as a whole. And third is Eric from hackathon, and that's like an working for like every hire cycle we have hackathon once a month. So the answer is specific hires. We will run customized interviews for each person that proves original work and that allows everyone to just prove themselves. So skipping on to the fun part, the demo. Okay, so first off, for candidates, we have like we can start the process. We can search for any job opportunity. For example, this front office and role. We have here we can build a responsive weather application. It's not just a task. It's not just like a problem solving task. It's a real task. You might ask yourself, can just people chat GPT this? It does not prove anything. Well, we've solved this as well. I can upload it resume and everything, and then this is the link for the actual task that we have, and we submit. Okay, next up is through Gemini, we ask questions relative to the submitted task itself and convert them as an wiki format. The screenshots are not showing, but the answers are in wiki format, and then Gemini transcribes these answers and compare it to the actual answers, as well as the MCQ questions, which are also relevant to the specific candidate. So each candidate has its own experience.
And now I'd like to invite to the stage Elena. And next up, after Elena, Steven
Niektóre projekty naprawdę, Autokatzana naprawdę ciekawe projekty. Tak, ja też się lubię. Też wpadł mi w oko, jeżeli chodzi o... No. O kurde, siemanko, jak to? Witam
Ciągiem
serdecznie.
przyjechały, to one mnie tak, jakby kurde, mają 4 godziny w pociągu i że muszą zasubmitować. I w nocy jeszcze siedziały i submitowały. Speak loud, 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 louder.
And louder.
Louder!
Speak louder.
Louder!
And closer,
Yes.
and closer mic.
Close to your mouth.
Close. Okay.
Good morning, everyone. We are Team AI Enigma, and we are tackling one of the biggest challenges in cybersecurity, alert fatigue. Across every security operations center, cyber analysts are overwhelmed by thousands of data points, be it from phishing emails to suspicious URLs and files. On top of that, false positives waste countless hours. This leads to burnout, missed real threats, and even compliance failures. So we ask a simple question: what if we create an AI-powered workflow that performs the same level of tasks that is normally performed by a junior SOC analyst? This will reduce analyst workload and overall improve SOC efficiency. So using Opus, AppliedAI's AI native workflow builder, we created an AI-powered Tier 0 SOC analyst workflow. This will handle intake, triage, risk scoring, and instant auditing automatically.
In the process, we identify a lot of existing systems. We create our solution for them to solve and get the These slaves are actual here. So what we're doing is we're taking in a lot of different types of data and processing them in parallel. Then we're normalizing all these things like email files, etc. And we're also reviewing them to make sure that they have the normalized forms. Then we extract IOCs from these. IOCs are indicators of compromise. And we also enrich them with like different methods. So we map them with respect to microorganic frameworks, etc. And when it comes to that, we will have to OCR extraction and also raw data. So we aggregate all of these IoTs from different places, and this is the first distribution. So what this does is that it classifies all these IoTs as either malicious or non-malicious. So if they are malicious, it gives them a risk score, and if the risk score is more than 70, which is appropriately set, it goes for a new release. If it's not more than 70, it's going to just get released, and then it's going to raise the report. And this is the sort of API implementation. And all of our reports basically are standard for the customer kind of report. So there's going to be a report within the user, and we also have a user that you can upload and then and what this is about is that we have like a lot of different points for us to find all these at least the 6 times. A lot of institutions like healthcare, banks, hospitals, all of these face a lot of phishing emails, SMS, OTPs requesting customers for their details. To tackle this, we cross
Thank you, girls. Was it actually recorded? Now, I'd like to check if we've got team Qdrant with us and here. We've got the next up after team
Wyślę
Qdrant.
70 projektów zgłosiło. Tak. 264. No. We vrai. I linii kodu.
Pomyśl, jaka firma pisze 12 000 aplikacji rocznie.
Masz wodę? Jakąś?
Nie, mogę ci przynieść. Załatwić ci wodę?
Ja też chcę.
Małego kaca?
Żadnego nie mam.
Live. Co tam? Git?
Nie, bo ktoś mi pisał, że jest sound beznadziejny i właśnie sprawdziłam, wcale nie jest. Że inference, że słyszał.
No jest pewnie, no jest opór, widać, że jest. Ale to nic się nie da zrobić.
No dokładnie, i tak jest dobrze.
Co ja mogę zrobić tutaj? Nic nie mogę zrobić, bo jak zacznę wyciszać...
Nie, ty nie ruszaj, niech się streamuje. Sprawdziłam, jest git. Wcale nie jest.
No. Wiesz. Już teraz streamuję się na wszystkich 3 kanałach.
Zajebiście.
Cały czacik, wszystkie rewelacje. To jest.
Okay. Hey guys, so my name is Mushraf. I came all the way from Sri Lanka, and I'm here because I do not like Azure DevOps and Jira. Every software engineer hates them, and that's why I'm here. Vector, essentially an AI-first platform for business analysis, requirement engineering, and project management. So where documents and workflows become instant. So I hope let's see. Okay, right. So there's a problem in Jira. Essentially, business analysts they come and they write the software, and essentially words aren't exactly mechanical. They are statistical. You tell me something, I form an image in my mind, but there might be a different one in your mind. So that's where kind of an LLM really shines because it's essentially a probabilistic model, right? Give you the most probable essential semantic meaning of it. So, for example, let's say that a business analyst makes a mistake and wants to get that sign up with username or email and a different ticket, they say sign up with username and email. So an LLM would be able to pick up that mistake very quick, and a business analyst might not be able to. So existing tools like Jira, Notion, and all of these things do not have exactly that AI-first approach. Essentially, they do not analyze every single node that you write, every single ticket that you write, and compare them and find potholes and then mistakes in those tickets. Essentially, so none of them understand your requirements, and none of them can tell you where your logic is broken. It's business logic. So introducing vectors. So it's a real-time requirement analysis tool. It does not do table format. It's a graphical format. So it's a bit more intuitive to the developer. It's autonomous reasoning, intelligent diagrams, multi-company collaboration, and enterprise-level governance. So versioning and tracking and requirements are also part of this software. So what vector does is that it always runs behind the scenes and essentially finds gaps, conjecture, and basic logic, which will only your business analyst can essentially. And it maintains history and versioning. If you use it behind the scenes and do literally word level. And how it works is that it uses this graphical first approach. It's the epic and all of that. And the user has important requirements, collection problems, and then understand how it uses quadrant
Thank you. Next up, Backbusters. Is the Backbusters here? It's your turn. Next up, after the Backbusters, it's time for Sundown AI. Get ready.
Be quick. Be quick. You have to be quick. You have to be quick. The team name is
We are from Team Blockbusters and
yeah,
myself there.
20 plus
So
one.
now
So right now what presentation is going on? Okay, so there is 3 more. Thank you.
So my friend started with healthcare industry, but he failed because he failed to complete self-certificate check AI audits, because basically every situation is a startup. So what's the problem here? Normal security analysts and compliance tests has no memory. So every time when there is a new test, they start from
What's
scratch.
your team name?
That's a very big problem. And also this generic report and not specific instructions how to tackle the problem. And coming to the cost, it's cost. Like we have to hire a specific cybersecurity experts to handle all these tasks. So what I am bringing to you
If we have time.
First one is memory query.
I don't have any pictures. I just want to speak.
Because it stores the attached patterns and it doesn't start from scratch. It learns as it grows. And the age is design agents. Gemini 3.4 designs domain-specific attack agents. So here we're talking about AI designing AI agents. And we also collaborated with Novium AI to prevent hallucinations of AI models. So after the creation of AI agents, they will go and test the AI systematically. They create a red team of experts and do that. And after that, they learn and report. So why now? Because the API is high and there is very time pressure because there are less cybersecurity experts. The domain is so if we solve this crisis, the government can be better and security tests will be fast and reliable. So why we will win is because we have memory-based learning and technical advantages and economic disruption because we're 300 times cheaper and 1,000 times faster than a human apprentice. So we have three clients, free, pro, and enterprise like this. I would like to show you a demo. So here you can the details. So we are testing API. It's showing the vulnerability. It also gives you professional report. So it gave me security audit report. So the complaints score, the risk level and summary, key findings. It also gives me a radar graph as well and the summary of critical findings, high risk. And it also gives me how to solve this. So prioritize remediation roadmap. So it's an AI system, automatically tests and also reports and also tells us what exactly to tackle down. Thank you.
Jak on się wyrobił wcześniej?
Tak. Dobrze. Sandal AI.
Is the team Sandal AI weapon. And next up after Sandal AI is learning.
Strasznie muszę iść siku. Zawołałbyś następny team, ten Learnify?
Nie.
Learnify, a jak nie to fuju, to mijakę, nie chcę tego używać.
No ja znam gościa, to jest Japonii, nie ma problemu. Learnify.
Albo Learnify, albo fuju, a ja muszę
No,
siku, będzie strzygał. Potrzebujesz czegoś? Może od razu ci powiedzieć, ty nie?
A.
Co do jedzenia chcesz? Dobra, ukradnę jeszcze więcej wody. Będę za 5 minut.
A.
Hi. Hi, my name is Dennis. I represent the project building the world's first predictive system. I started the company together. These people, I generate over 150 million.
Close, and now.
I already generated over 150 million revenue. And Dominican. The problem, the creating a supply chain is broken. 230 billion market failing with 3 people. First, it's wasted. It takes 7 days on average to produce a CS, and it costs one of us $500 for one single test to review. Our solution replaces the manual production with Google scale generative intelligence, taking it from 7 to 14 days down to 3 days. You just have to insert your URL for the product and AI needs the rest. Research strategy finds the ID customer persona. Based on the ICP, we are generating a perfect repeating AI avatar. We choose the AI avatar, we are creating the perfect and keeping hook, putting everything together, and you get like one ready to use UGC. So you can see you just have to ingest URL, give one example, and then you get like one ready to use. The outcome. We are reducing the cost by 98%, taking it from 500 USD to less than 10 USD per user testable asset. We are increasing the creative testing velocity by 1,000. Why now? Daily, there's an upload of 7.5 million ads per day just on TikTok and Meta. The algorithm will change on Meta with the Meta Andromeda update, and you can see the high volume is pushed. So you can push a lot of ads into the algorithm, and the algorithm will do the rest. But that's just like one piece of the agentic AI. We want to create like the world's best predictive AI system. I'm working since 12 years in scale up and C-level growth as a CMO and already generated over 400 million revenue in marketing overall. And now we want to put everyone on AI tools, so CMOs and marketing can leverage AI.
Genie project. Genie project from Learnify. Is the Learnify with us today? Okay, if not, then I would like to invite to stage Guru to Iyake with emergency prior automation platform. A lot of amazing features today we see, but short of the slides, we don't focus so much on the AI part. Everyone building AI in hackathon. So maybe tell us about you, your story, what motivates you to build the project. I think this is more important than your architecture.
Hi everyone, my name is Qdrant. I'm a emergency of Japan, and also I'm a solo developer. Today I'd like to introduce my emergency triage integration platform built on top of Office. Qdrant is a kind of one-independent cloud-based system in emergency department or in a disaster environment, and this one is very important in fact, especially emergency hospital. And I came all the day from Japan to find just for this practice. And this is my motivation. Working in the hospital episode, I see many programs that imply the issue simply cannot fix, and we cannot redesign the system entirely. Indeed, AI is one of the few tools that can fundamentally transform the way healthcare works. So I taught myself the technical skills, and this project is my first step towards solving this problem at scale. And in foundation one, the first minute is like life and death, but overloading and high risk cases are often missed. I see this every week as a full-time doctor. And triage has a lot of problems such as slow and inconsistent, and like this, physiological signs are often missed. My creation contains the main components. The first is web application, and second is offers workflow, and is protected with REST API. And this is a web application. This is greatly experience information. Recent advances in device vision models and global model sensing directory for Home Canada building our
Ja mogę jeszcze teraz? Jeszcze trzeba powiedzieć parę słów na temat tego. Zapowiem po prostu Oasis i Kinda Smart.
And if the law is workable, the most important thing is that every agent also is rated ensuring full transparency and auditability end to end. And this product has client tables such as workflow first AIC, universal smartphone configuration, aggressive healthcare digitalization investment. And these are my strengths. From training of insight, I face this on a regular and outdoor. We are not performance technically, creating the money, we are providing only 10 seconds. And it takes
Thank you very much. Now, Oasis with the Smart Pair. Are they with us? Smart Pair. Oasis team. If not, then okay. So, then next speak will be kind of it. So please prepare and be ready to stop on the stage. Few words. The pitch you just saw before, if you don't know what this is the process when you get to the hospital and you get evaluated by the nurses. So I think you'll see a lot of really important projects being built on this hackathon, not only for the business, but also for our healthcare. Kind of it is next, please prepare.
Can I participate in hackathon?
It's already finished. Submission is closed. They're pitching right now the project that they have built.
So how much time they give for this project?
3 minutes. 3 minutes.
Is there any chance?
We already closed submissions.
Wiesz, wymyślił ten gościu naprawdę inspo.
Teraz?
No bo ten doktor, no bo on jest doktorem i on do triaż, wiesz co ten triaż? Że jak cię przyjmują do szpitala i jakby cię ewaluują pielęgniarki, który poziom jakby jesteś zagrożony, no to jest ten triaż. I on wymyślił do tego jakiegoś agenta AI, nie? Więc...
To jest Oasis.
Nie, Oasis nie było go, ale to nie, tak, to jest Smart.
To jest Oasis, nie?
Tak, Smart Pair, tak, Smart Pair.
Lerni fajnie przyszli.
Nie.
Okej. Kinda smart, kinda fit, to brzmi fajnie.
Kinda fit. Mają w ogóle fajny ten pitch.
Louder!
Closer.
You see your mom after studying for 3 years, or watching your faster dad and crying your eyes out. Now, think about those who don't have eyes. Don't they have the right to feel this emotion? For millions of blind and visually impaired people, even stupid tasks like finding a chair, looking in a pocket, or even crossing the room requires guesswork, understanding, or even with accurate.
Most of the tools available today can be watched directly in front of you, and that too is very limited. They don't tell you what their exact object is. They don't tell you how far it is, or they don't tell you who has electrical load. Also, they do not tell the environment as a human would do. Hello guys. For the technologies that we use is we use webcam cameras, Gemini AI, and AI models. So just to give you an info, it just facilities. So it's detecting the person, and based on the analysis, it analyzes the scene where you make. So for blind people, just because telling them where they are, we have to connect it. So just showing them where they are doesn't tell them where exactly they are. And more technologies that we use are.
Well, for the backend, we have used Gemini, Qdrant, and we have also used Opus. We have used Qdrant to store the vector database while Opus is the vector search. And for Opus, we have used Gemini.
Someone at the end.
Yes, we are adding them.
Yeah, we are. I want to speech.
For this AI to exist previously, it was simply not
Go
possible.
to
because
her
AI was
and
too
tell
slow,
your
the
project.
hardware was expensive, or the solution was too complex. But now that the AI has come to a new gen, this is the perfect time that we bring up. The need is more greater than ever.
Yeah, it's
So this is why
my team name, right?
Yes.
My team name is Dolphin. Dolphin, simple Dolphin. And my project's name is Dolphin AI. Thank you very much.
It is affordable, easy to use, personalized, and empowering. This is for those who need it. We think thoughtfully and we build. For our market team, we are going for B2G and B2C. In future things, we are trying to collaborate with big companies such as Prada, Chanel, and many more by giving them an IoT device which will be connected by REST. But I think we are lacking in manual power. But yeah, so we'll be collaborating with them. We'll give them clouds which will be connected to the IoT device. Easy to use mobile apps, easy to fascinating. Well, this is the starting of the new generation.
Show it to camera. Show it to the camera.
So thank you all. Thank you very much. Now, I'd like to invite to the stage Team Kind of Smart with the project Kind of Bit. It's the Team Qdrant. There they are. And next up, after Team Kind of Smart, I'd love to invite Team Space Jones. Get ready.
Hello everyone, we are the team Kind of Smart. We're the team Kind of Smart, and we've developed personal fitness coach. So why are we doing this? About 80% of people that start working out quit after 1 year, and they say that they do not get enough guidance, or they do not get enough time, or they lack results. And also, additionally, about 20% of people that do work out end up injuring themselves because they don't know the proper technique.
So yeah.
And I've actually went through this myself. About 10 years ago, I was working out and also doing some calisthenics, some very difficult exercises, and I managed to injure myself. Where still sometimes I get some back pain at night. So what we've done is we've developed a personal coaching platform that brings to you your own workouts and real-time form guidance for a safe experience at home or anywhere else you are. How it works. The very first thing you need to do is fill out a form, and then we will create a workout for you. We have a huge library of exercises, over 300 exercises, and you can confirm the workout and then actually start doing the workout with motion analysis. And after that, you can also chat with your own workout experience, get some feedback, all of this, and I can actually. Alright, so this is a platform we've developed. Here I already have my platform. You can specify what's the goal of your whole routine. What exactly do you want the AI to create? You can specify that you don't have any injuries. You can confirm your profile, and then right after this, the workout is going to be created, and you can launch it straight on your device. It could work anywhere, on mobile, on a laptop, anywhere. All you need is just a camera, and you will get feedback in real time as the workout progresses. So here I have the workout. It's created specifically for me. I can ask to change it, or I can create this workout, and then we're going to actually initialize a session where we will analyze all of the results with the camera. So my workout is ready. I can see the steps, and we're launching the camera, and you can see I'm being tracked. Of course, I have to do the steps, but the idea is
Whoa.
and you can also try it out. Try it out, right? Thank you, everyone.
Do we have the team Space Dogs with us?
I think yes.
The stage is yours. And next up, after Space Dogs, Scholar Force.
Poprzednie zajebiste. Speak loud.
Hello? How you doing?
Louder.
Yeah, better?
Good.
Yeah, good.
Your space talks. The problem you tend to address is that various companies build PDFs that contain important information such as invoices, emails, contain IDs, dates, all this. These multi-format PDFs that contain voice notes and everything containing the important information for the company is very unstructured and it's very hard to judge. What we do is we make a smart automation intake system that can take this messy layout into a more structured and understandable. The first thing we do is a workflow input, where you input the PDF that contains your important document. As we go along, we have opus extraction, where we extract the PDF, the information in the PDF that contains very important fields such as emails and IDs, and we extract this using OCR. What else we do is we have an AI agent that normalizes. By normalize, we take the text that was extracted from it, it's in this, we get it into strings. And we don't use any metadata that keeps the important information out. So we have the original text and information still there. Now the next thing is we extract key fields such as emails, IDs, and dates. This is very important for companies. And with these extracted fields that
make this core information, we're able to create a summary later on. We use decision agents such as to require fields to first check these fields are in our document type, such as emails, items, and we also do check risk to see if the information is actually there. At the end, we have an auto review. We have an audit agent that reviews it, and we also have a human review. This helps businesses integrity of these documents. They collect information. Agent review. Auto review it to see if these fields match the document and to see if this messy structure of the document can be structured into a more clean one. So you'll have finalized. This will get the important summary of the document. And later, with this document, this important summary of the document will have an email maker. We'll send an email to the user, to the HR department, and this email will summarize the very output. In our email, we'll export the data, and then we'll show the summary to the user. Right here is an example of email. Look at the first invoice, dates, and the email too. We go along, and at the end, we have an audit package. The audit is very important. This is everything that has been done so far. Thank you so much. We are Space Dogs, and we are thank you.
Thank you very much. Esteemed scholar for students. It's your turn right now.
jest w ogóle zajebisty.
Louder, louder.
Yeah, louder, closer. Yeah. Yes.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Aisha, and this is my I'm here to talk about Passion. This is a product-based reasoning engine designed for various researchers. Learners, especially researchers, spend on average 7 to 8 to find topics in research, find contradictions, and multiple disagree. Elements sometimes, but they don't provide structure, strategy, and reasoning. And that's why we are crashing. Our core features are construct-based reasoning. Constructs are typical framework. For example, now, constructs would be complex stress, emotional exhaustion. And then we have partial contradictions that shows why interactive reasoning graphs, an interactive network that shows how we disagree and decide. My favorite feature, reference intelligence, where the user approves a document.
So, jeszcze nie ma zwycięzcy.
Nie, będzie o 14:15.
If related to the researcher's topic,
Do kiedy mnie potrzebujecie?
Ciebie?
Do końca, no.
now we'd like to talk about how we are using. There are a lot of tools that summarize research like science and consensus. So what we do is we have these unique features to extract
Tutaj czy outside?
summarize. And we use Gemini to fully build this. So we use Gemini Superior Reasoning.
Lepiej, żebyś był
Do 17, do 18, do 6.
No, bo teraz mamy ten lunch break, godzinę, a potem o 13:50, teraz masz godzinę przerwy.
Nie ma problemu. Znaczy ja teraz też po prostu pytam się, żeby wiedzieć.
W sumie nie musicie być na tych workshopach, to teraz możesz wyjść w ciągu dnia i wrócić na 5 minut. O 14:15 fajnie, żebyś był, bo będziemy finalizować ten judgment, a o 17:15 ogłaszamy ich na stronie.
Organization. And I'd like to talk about why we feel like as students and researchers, we struggle with this problem. So we bring you the solution. With Gemini, we bring you scholar. We bring you Russian.
Thank you very much. Next up, I'd like to invite to the stage AI Superposition Crew. Team AI Superposition Crew, are you here with us?
Insura claim.
If not, I would like to invite to the stage Team Idea. And next up, after Team Idea, we'll have AI Pro Stacks.
They are meant to work with humans. Humans as their mentor, their supervisor, their guide. And thus, when you design software architectures, you need to design a human AI dialectic process in the development stage, where you move rapidly from code-oriented process.
So, good morning everyone. Our project is GAIA, Global Autonomous Anomaly Response. So GAIA is built to autonomous detection and intelligent and also instant responses.
Krawcik polecam.
We'd like to introduce ourselves. First up, I'd like to introduce ourselves. Samuel, first thing. We are high schoolers who are pursuing high school. Our mission is kind of solve technical problem one by one, but not like in a way that's vague and not they ask for something, solves anomalies. What cases like cybersecurity, patient process to life, etc.
Our all-in-one solution is GAIA. It's all by being a universal anomaly detection platform. It learns that patterns across domains and adapts in real time, which almost none of the existing platforms. Solution mainly consists of fully being autonomous. It doesn't need human intervention. It also is a multimodal AI which uses Gemini and Opus. The global solution is that it uses unified satellite and weather and infrastructure data to produce data and solution in real time without using any other APIs. So what are the GAIA does is it uses instant responses, which is automated workflows every day.
Masz moje ulubione wszystkie hackathonach organizowałem. Wszędzie kurwa jakieś generatory żetonów w internecie i wiesz w ogóle, a tutaj ziomek wychodzi i dobra robimy jakby projekt do ratowania świata, więc
Żebyś widział w Nowym Jorku, jakie mieliśmy top pitches za
kurwa, aż wiara w człowieka w ludzi się odnajduje.
Ja aż mam cierpliwie, ja dlatego kocham te hackathony, bo mam takie talenty i oni robią wszystko. To nie są gówno projekty hackathony.
A nie, że jakiś, nie wiem, staking, coś tam, nie wiem, jakiś nowy pomysł na kasyno.
Dokładnie.
Tak. Ile mamy? Dobrze idziemy w ogóle.
No, akurat sobie robimy. Dużo teamów się nie pojawiło. Ich strata.
Large-scale data is so where it gets the data is from satellites which are already there in space. Then there's weather API to give you weather information, and there's IoT sensors which gives you real-time
7
data
na
about
100% i te są ekstra.
No to ekstra,
Damy
nie,
radę.
odwrotnie.
Te są
Nie,
ekstra.
7, nie wszystkie na 100%, a ekstra są na 100%, czyli 11, dobra.
No, w sensie ci powinni, a ci jak starczy czas analizy.
Mamy na około...
Godzinę mamy, jest okej.
So then it finally verifies its performance and triggers a response. Thank you.
Thank you. Next up, Team AI Pro Stacks.
Yeah.
It's going to be in the channel.
Yes, it's on the Twitch channel, it's on LinkedIn, YouTube, and X. Twitch channel, there's almost 270 people watching already.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so
Team AI Pro Stacks.
Yeah, it should be on social.
If they are not here, I'd like to invite Team CyberX. Is Team CyberX here with us?
With Artemis.
With the project Artemis. If not, Team Deductive AI. Team Deductive AI? Alright, next up, Team Canaptic.
Oh, wait.
Fluorescence.
Deduct.
Team Deductive.
Mamy matching dzisiaj. Jesteśmy
No
twój
kurde,
online.
wczoraj przeznaczamy coś tak?
Czy mogłabyś wysłać link ten, który masz z ludźmi on site, którzy się zgodzili na
A już go masz.
A już mogę wysłać na site?
Tak.
Dziękuję Ci bardzo. Dobrze, I had it before I asked for it.
It's been up since yesterday. But you have it right now
Did
again.
you guys have any favorites for winners?
Yes.
Can you send me the names?
Favorites from winners or from
Yeah. Louder, closer, louder.
This is good. Hi, everyone. I'm Qdrant, and
Okay,
I'm
we're
working
gonna
on Qdrant
put
with
you on
my
stage.
co-founder. Qdrant is an AI venue scouting agent that helps
I will ask
businesses
her to
find
pull you in.
and book the right
I will
venues for the
I will
conference.
ask her to pull you in.
Now, what we do is that event management is often
So
done
we have
on
an emergency
emails,
list.
spending one to 2 days just to gather a lot of information, and they jump from one platform
You
to
will have
another.
more time. We're gonna put you on
And
the
we
other
found
one.
that like
It's
each
still like it's
often
around 1
spends
hour
more than
left.
30 hours a day.
Not many projects
30
left.
hours
Some projects are not here, so
on
maybe
events
we'll
just going through admin jobs. And almost 80% of the
Thank you. We're gonna
classes,
call you. We're gonna call you.
struggle with getting the right prices.
Ishura claim jest.
An existing
Przyszła
solutions
dziewczyna,
like
Ishura
Qdrant and
claim
Polo,
jest.
we found that they are not AI native.
Superposition group. Ishura claim powiedziała, że jest, więc możemy do niej wrócić. Ale ona potrzebuje 15 minut, żeby się przygotować, bo tylko teraz przyjechała.
Dobra, nie ma problemu.
So with deductive users can just describe their event in plain English. Deductive then selects, creates and sends all the emails.
On chciał projektu do Surge'a?
Top choice, no dla mnie na pewno Kaida Smart Oasis, zajebiści. Jak macie jakieś, to...
So step by step, that's how it works. The user starts with simply chatting with the AI in natural language and providing it the requirements that for the event. The user then the AI then gives the user recommended venues, and they can select it and they can basically select all the venues at once, and they can send all the emails. The AI then using Gemini for this. So Gemini basically gathers all the information that was received from the venues in reply, and sorts it and gives it in a nice user. And basically, the last step would be to the users will be to compare and book their event. Now looking at the competition, deductive is of course AI native, so we have certain features that our competition does not. So for example, like AI agent venue outreach and follow-ups that happen automatically, that does not exist in other platforms, and again like platforms like Apollo are like very sales focused, so they don't really focus on venues. This is a tech flow. So we're using Gemini for two main areas. One is for the chatbot to gather all the information that we can use to recommend the right venues. And secondly is around the email follow-up. So Gemini does all the follow-ups and looks at all the and this is our basic business model in Google. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. And now is Team Connecting with us? So then, next up after Connecting, I'd like to invite Constant Labs.
Oh.
So hello, someone who has 10 years knowledge, building knowledge system from Microsoft, UNICEF, and Save the Children. Now I have moved to data analyst, data coordinator, and so on. So the problem that I'm trying to solve is something that I know for 10 years now, that I've been working on, and people have been fighting this chaos of the data. The data exists, but the knowledge doesn't. When you look for a file, you need to go to ask for people, you need to go to the intranet and so on. It doesn't exist, and it's very complicated. So what we are trying to solve is that to have a unified central knowledge for companies and to help solve the problem, which is scattered information. Stop wasting time, the 20 to 30% of time that we are losing looking for data and so on. And also the different hidden risks that comes from our data, which is the files, the emails, the documents, the policies, and everything. So what we are trying to solve, what we have built is Qdrant. Qdrant is something which is the cognitive layer for the enterprise, and it is giving you an intelligence platform, giving you a comprehensive edition that is solving another problem, another really big problem for knowledge management. Everybody that knows it, intelligence answer. So we have an ingestion through sensing to a central database and then giving to the user. So for this next step, we are using Gemini and Qdrant to host the data, but also to fully add the value. But to add value, we have also what we call senses, which is a daemon resource that will be hosted on people's computer to ingest the data directly to the system. But also we have an AI reasoning that makes it out of the other system. So why now is enterprise trust start trusting AI? There is a lot of data, but also AI is very advanced now to be reasoning like human. So our model, our system has that. And in terms of when we look at the business model, it will be an enterprise SaaS, so ARR focused. But also when you look at the knowledge management within the world, it is something like 13 billion in 2025, but projected to 33 billion. So our idea is to have tiered annual plan add-ons, but also for team pricing. So you can try the demo. It's quadrasense.com. You can go there, try, and also I'm welcoming your feedback for the system. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. And next up, the Constant Clubs. After Constant Clubs, it's turn for the free section.
So they are first something to understand that the new language the new methodologies, and these methodologies are narrowing
ten poprzedni był kanaktik, ten ciemny
Koresens, no.
Ale że się nazwali The Winning Team, to w ogóle zajebiste. Ktoś ma sobie taką nazwę.
And today we have this and they have to do that time of creating constitutional documents and things they are going to do, and have to keep that all the time, thinking that the behavior building I think we're going to have to evolve for
Closer, louder.
Closer, louder.
Okay, there you go. There? Okay. Hi everyone. My name is Ahmed. This is Ahmed. We've been friends for almost 8 years now. Pre-COVID friends, you know. So we met in uni and we were like all tech nerds here. So let's make the AI thing happen. You know, everybody's all I know let's go on it. So we made our own startup, ConstantLabs.ai. So ConstantLabs.ai. Please check out the website. If you want to join us, please just message us. So yeah, MedLearn. MedLearn is a problem that one of my medical friends told me. He's a nurse, and he told me that a lot of us have AI. They're supposed to look at documents that are due for vaccines or stuff like that. That they have specific protocols. So they have to read through it and then reply to an email to the manager in order to summarize and cover what we went through.
One się przestawiły na
Age of AI,
Discord Handles moduły niby się zrobiły się mieszanie. Możesz usunąć Discord Handles po prostu i tyle. To nie ma znaczenia. Bo ma znaczenie tylko to, ma znaczenie, bo to się zgadza, to. I deki też się zgadzają, nie?
Placing the text reply to
fixed.
Right. We did it two sides, so we have two sides. One is the manager side, one is the employee.
Fix it.
Demo. So here we have the manager login. The manager logs in. He has a PDF file, so he's just going to upload a PDF file that's going to get transferred into a markdown file for easier reading, and then he can simply assign it to one of the employees. And then we can go to the employee and just go and check out what they have to submit, right? So we got all document, finish reading, record. We have a demo audio already in there, so let's still start transcribing. So let's go to the workflow of how it is. We got to come back to it. So this is the workflow for the Opus part, which is for the manager side, which is this, then take the PDF and turn it into a Markdown file. It has all this stuff extracting, converting, and the metadata generating. For the employee, we have a little bit more, which is going to take
Just napisane
the
Discordzie, że
from
fixed.
the transcription and the MP file, compare it, get the determinants of passive fit, and give it some score. Let's go back to the. So these are the results of this guy. You know, this guy. So let's go back to the start. We did one extra thing. We went beyond and created an MCP for the system because we have an API, and I don't want the content to be filled with the documentation, so we just created an MCP for it, and we actually use it while working, so it works beautifully. We will have some comments with the last time, which is the MCP and the API does not have any writing extra stuff, so I'm not going to discuss it with you.
Thank you very much. Next up, I'd like to invite Team Prisma. Is Team Prisma here with us? Team Prisma, you've got one last chance. Then I'd like to invite Team Data Alchemist with the project Actify. Team Data Alchemist, are you here with us? Come on over. Team Data Alchemist, you really need to run or you lose your chance. And next up, after Data Alchemist, it will be Team Athar.
Because my friend told you which
If there's time, we would like to send you a couple of times.
Might be. I need your so I need your team name and project.
The team name and project name is the same. It's GeoVision. GeoVision.
Geo.
Geo Vision.
Okay, so we're putting you on the like. It's gonna be next. They are the last one right now. No, there's this Actify.
So we are
Then the
Team
upload
Actify,
APM,
and we are here to present a problem. How many of the users here are actually watching Reels every day? Any social media? Please raise your hands. Awesome, proud here then. How many of you saved the Reels because you want to go back and watch them again? Cool. How many are excited for the national holidays coming up and you want to see places to visit? Awesome. But do you even go back to those Reels and find them out? Ever? No. So you're not looking for, you can't go back. You can't really use those Reels. That's the problem we're trying to solve here. Users can now go back to any social media, look for their Reels, and actually search for places, recipes, content learning, students, anyone can go back and just look at it. That's what we're trying to solve from this app. So please can explain exactly how did we do that.
So that's the only thing we're trying to do. First, we summarize it.
Dobry projekt.
So, for example, I want to go to this place.
Louder.
Louder.
Hello?
Yeah.
So I want to probably go to this place for the safari, right? And what was that thing I saved about the safari? Right? The first problem solved. Now we go to the next part. Then, now I'm summarizing about the trip. Oh, what all did I do about the trip? Right? What they exactly told me in the what are they to take? Like now I go to the next part of it. Let's say how many times have you guys seen a particular reel and you're like, oh, I like that bag, but you can't find that, right? So now you can go here and click on the bag and you can actually find that bag and buy that bag as well. So you get the end-to-end flow of the entire thing I'm acting on it. Now we go to the next part. Here is the entire flow. So the flow is like you first search the reel, you find what is there about the reel, you take actions on the reel, category based. So you have like multiple categories. So the categories would be like, exactly how do we make money out of this, right? That is the main point. So it's like, let's say somebody clicks on our link, it will be an affiliate marketing link. So we'll have our own link embedded into that, and you can click on that link and take action. Right? The revenue model at the end of the marketing funnel, or when you have actually saved the reel, it's most probably that you actually like the reel, actually save the reel. You can actually make maximum conversion rate at this. And then at the end of the thing, we have multiple products according to the category. We have actual product, workout, and that stuff. We are actually building everything using Gemini, and we are using a graph database to query across it. We are searching it, we are summarizing it, we are acting on it. So the main vision we have is we turn learning into content, content into learning, lessons, routines, recipes, items, action plans, anything and everything at one platform. You search, summarize it, done. Don't just say.
Amazing. Next up, Team Otter. Is the Team Otter here with us? And after Team Otter, Team Launchpad AI.
Hello, I'm Amir. The problem that we are trying to solve is the challenge with the new era of developing projects is that the environment has become very messy and fragmented, which this slows or even cuts the progress in small and medium startups. Solving this in a traditional way means we're going to lose the advantage of these new tools or AI technology. So, instead of avoiding these new technologies, we're going to using them but in a clean and structured way. Our solution is a system of smart development agents. Each agent has a clear job, setting up the environment, testing, deploying, writing the documentation, and more. So the whole development process stays strong, organized, and efficient. Let's talk more about these agents. First, our agents, we're going to talk briefly about them. First one, which is the cloud operation AI, that will be hosted on our server, and using Gemini API will help us to deploy or manage our servers or services by playing them. Then our security scanner continuously search for vulnerabilities or any bugs. Then the quality assurance that review our code and pull requests from GitHub. Then the UI UX design that continuously also sees screens and gives us the UX feedback. And then the SEO optimizer and the legal AI and the customer support. Let's look more about how it works. I'll give the cloud operation AI example. This Salim, we call this Salim, our AI, our cloud operation AI. It deploys and debug using plain English commands. It is deployed back in version 2.3 automated. It converts these instructions into shell and infrastructure workflows using applied AI methods. Also, real-time monitors CPU, RAM, usage of a whole computer resource. Why APM? It's built for SODEX and Teams. It's faster iteration, just connect and building project, or even if existing project. Adaptive intelligence, always there from its experience in this project. And unified experience, everything is in one place. Thank you.
Thank you. Now it's time for the Team Laxmap AI. Team Laxmap AI. That's your chance to jump on stage. If the team is not free with us, the next team then is the winning team. The winning team. Just a disclaimer, we did not choose the winners yet. That's the actual team. And after that, purchase team.
It's live. It's live. It's live.
Yes. Great. The pitch is now starting. How many projects are ready for the pitch?
Well, so we had 70 submissions.
70.
Yeah, and 30
for the on-site, but in total 270, I believe, something like that.
So, but only on-site participants pitch. So from the 70, we choose like 32.
32 they're going to present. Fantastic.
Yeah, they already presented. It's like we have through list, only 3 minutes, and
it's really good.
That's it. Yeah. What about you? What you looking for?
Well, I'm supposed to be a judge here, but I need to talk and other things. I'm mentoring.
But judging is online, I think.
Yeah, online. I don't do it. I pulled out of it. But I am on the site, on the website as a judge. So.
What's your name? Oh, nice to meet you, brother.
Yeah.
I'm Magic.
I we met last night, no?
I know. What time did you come back?
Oh, late. Not as late as you are, probably at 1.
Yeah, we did 3 a.m.
Wow.
But it was fun.
You still look amazing, refreshed.
We started we arrived. He arrived 8. I arrived at 8:15 or 20.
Wow.
Yeah.
Good luck. Good luck. I already have one coffee.
We
I'm gonna
had
have
limited yesterday and today nothing.
Otherwise, claims would be rejected, and this puts a lot of cash flow strain on the medical providers. So, what we've developed is something to address the issue here. There's high rejection rates. There is a shortage of actual medical providers who are people qualified to read doctor's notes and provide the diagnosis codes. And there's manual errors, slow processing, it delays patients' care. There's all sorts of issues. So I'm going to take you to the solution now. Time, I'll give you to the slide. So essentially, what we've done is we're going to automate the work of medical coders. We've used Gemini 2.5 Pro, last context, and agentic RAG on the actual official documents for ICD guidelines. So what we do is we put in all of the information to the particular patient's treatment. We then pulled 8 different chunks that are relevant from the ICD guidelines, and then we produce ICD codes. As you can see in this example, that's what's happening right now with the processing. So, yeah, so you can just drag and drop. In this particular example, we used some diabetes medical notes, within which there's no ICD information. All of that being missed off. Doctors often miss it off and so do analysis when they're uploading the information because of time constraints. We've eventually embedded a confidence score because we need to be able to allow medical professionals to determine which need review and prioritize cases to review. We also provide justification for each of the codes that we assign. This is important from an explainability perspective. In fact, that there is a situation in which the claim is being rejected by the insurer, we need to be able to defend why such a code was given. Then we have the human in the loop element to this. Here you can make edits to any of the codes that were assigned by the agent and to the justifications. And then finally, we allow you to export and prepare the information ready for issuing to the claim to the insurer in order to have the claim processed and for the medical provider to do it.
Thank you guys, the time ran up. Now the smartest keywords. That's your turn. And next up, the team Dolphin AI.
Hello. I think this voice is pretty loud.
Dobrze, że zrobiliśmy bez tych pytań, to rozjebało wszystko. Bo to jest tak, że musiałam biegać teraz z tymi mikrofonami, przepinać tego majka małego. Dobrze. Ale dużo teamów czuję. Nice. Myślałam, że się nie zmieścimy.
This guy is saying he submitted the project, but like it's not showing under. Can you check this email address? I sent a message to you also in this group.
I mean, so this list is only
It's not
like
about pitching. Like he's asking this project is he submitted the project, but it is not showing under the submission list.
because this is not full. This is a project like we had over 70 submissions, and we chosen on 30.
How much?
30.
Yeah, I'm telling you, it is not about pitching. He is asking the project is not showing under the like not in the pitching list, submission list. It is not showing.
Okay, on the website.
Yeah,
On
that
the
is
website, you
yeah.
have to do some manual. I think I don't know.
Yeah,
You
I
have to.
sent
We
message
have
to
to ask
Sophia,
him
but yeah,
enough.
I messaged him also, but I don't know where he is.
Okay, so
Yeah. Okay, you cannot do anything, right?
yes,
Yeah.
I don't even can use computer.
Okay,
Hello
okay,
everyone,
thank you.
I'm Ufa and I am here all the way from India but for a visit. I don't have a speech here, just a problem to share and an obvious solution. We all use messaging apps every day, Discord and WhatsApp, and frankly speaking, none of these apps have the option to write in your own language. Either these apps, not my keyboard, not my laptop keyboard. That's why we have built an AI-powered smart keyboard that gives you a seamless typing experience. So, uh, you just need to use it's a utility tool, not an app. It's just
Ej,
three
a
steps.
co?
You just need to
Ci tam te
select
SEA
what
mają dwa golden tickety dla zwycięzców.
Dlatego wolałabym, żebyś został tutaj na cały hackathon i nie wychodził w ciągu dnia i po 18, bo trzeba to ogarnąć.
Ale to okej. No to, ale
Nie, bo
ja-
to jest risky.
Ale co? Ja nie chciałem wychodzić. Ty powiedziałeś, że
Nie,
mogę wyjść. Ja nie muszę
Czy
wychodzić.
teraz na godzinę, ale potem jak będą odcinki.
Ale ja i tak nie wychodzę. Co najwyżej wezmę sobie zrobię przerwę, żeby sobie coś zjeść śniadanie.
Tak, teraz sobie zrób. Masz godzinę w sumie o 12:45 do 13:50. Nie streamujemy tych workshopów, więc ja to ogarnę z Vladem. Tylko właśnie ci winersi będziemy mieć o 14:00 prawdopodobnie wyniki, ktoś się może opóźnić.
No, bo chodzi o to, oni mają golden tickety i będą dla albo jest tylu zwycięzców, to oni wybiorą projekty, które muszą.
And before sending any message to him, I just add it in my input bar. It will autocorrect everything that I've written in the prompt, and it will just give me. I can just copy and give it to it. The target users for my app is everyone who wants like a seamless typing experience here, and my friend Alta, who just said that he's gonna use my app to stop using the word kaka. Alright, so that was my time. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And next up, Team Dolphin.
Joe Vision. Next.
I'm sorry, is this a good time to ask? So it seems like it's coming to the end of the list. Will there be time to add our team or no time?
You in a pitch?
So, hello everyone. This is Pratham from India.
Okay.
And
Yeah, I guess so.
So, one of my favorite characters from Netflix series is Bobby Spector, and he has an infamous quote that says, "Life is like this, and I like this." So, translating that quote to my project, I would say the accessibility of ocean data is this, and I like this. So let us see what I mean by that. So the ocean data is locked away in 11 million records, or actually even more than that exist but are too complex to read by a human. So that requires special domain expertise like programming or understanding the next segment formats. So that is the pain point. 90% of potential users miss on that. And so let us see how we solve it. Dolphin, top to the ocean. Dolphin AI, down to Dolphin, is an AI-powered platform that translates natural language into complex database queries.
Stellar
It is powered
Engineers
by
da,
semantic
da
search.
lista mais
So for that, we are using Qdrant. And so to tell you, I decided to test the Qdrant a little bit. So I filled it with not 10, not 20, not 50, but 450 records. Sorry, not 450, but 450,000 records have been filled and have been semantically organized. So this is the total address of the market is more than 20 billion. The target audience is research institutes, educational platforms, and government policymakers. Why are they better? The traditional tools that already exist are hard to use, and raw SQL and Python requires coding skills, and Dolphin is the most instant way to do it. Now, some of you may ask me, why not use Perplexity or Gemini, for example? So the reason for that is hallucinations. The LLMs tend to hallucinate, and they are not built on the RAG pipeline. They are built on the RAG pipeline. Sustainability and growth. We can offer premium that is free for students, and we can also offer an API, enterprise API for research labs, and we can also partner with grant funding organizations for climate change. Future waves are now we have the Argo Flow data. In 2026 Q1, we can proceed with satellite integration and predictive climate models. So let me quickly show you how it works. So this is all the records that have been listed. There are about 450,000 records that have been listed. Only 20,000 have been
Stellar
so far
Engineers
because
da
of the
bir de
time
lista.
constraint. So let me quickly show you how the question will work. I'm asking it what are the temperature. Okay. So what are the temperature patterns in the Arabian Sea? And based on the index measurements, currently only 20,000 out of 450. It is giving me an answer. This is how easy it has to be. It can be. You don't have to complicate it. And
Ale
that's
to
what
są ci z Nowego Jorku, więc może będę
GeoVision?
Tak.
Thank you very much. Is Team GeoVision with us now? They are.
Tak.
Actually, due to a confusion that I thought that the submission deadline for pitch was also 8 a.m. So I could not submit it on time. So is it possible if you can get a chance, give a chance to me?
We'll see. We'll see. What's your project?
It's Vizaro. Vizaro. V-I-Z-I.
Vizaro was called on stage. Don't worry. It was on the list. Vizaro. I put you on the waiting list. At the end, we'll see what the time. We have deadline till 12:45. We have few pitches already. I think
Don't speak that loud.
it should be. It should be okay. But we'll see. We'll see with the time. Closer and louder.
Louder, closer.
When we are using geospatial data to help assist the DLD community, we are using a RAG pipeline like
What are we doing? At GeoVision, accessibility is not just an add-on, it's the core part of my philosophy. What truly sets us apart is how we blend intelligent guidance with environmental understanding. Instead of just giving directions, GeoVision makes us see the future, so it's a real view to make informed decisions. While other firms rely on single feature navigation, our approach prioritizes user environment and situation. It's what we're doing.
These are some of the competitions that we have. We have WordSpec, Visualize, and Edge. So as you can see, there are some pretty major numbers. They are not commercially available. There are legacy image upload.
Closer and louder.
Subscription-based costly, and if you can't use it then. So our solution is open source with sponsorships and donations to assist and keep it up. Now for the rest.
So application is deployed on Streamlit, and we are going to show how our main system works.
points. So for example, we have the current location of the user and we're going to find the points of interest. So we have built the prompt here for museums. Now if you scroll down after the model runs it, you will get a short summary based on our wide pipeline which we have implemented. Hopefully this will run. This video will go down again.
Hey, brother. Hey. Turn around.
Turn around.
Here you go. So we displayed a map where all the points of interest are outlined in a better understanding. Give a short summary based on the points of interest, the distance from the user, and a short summary which we took from Google. We have then used Gemini 2.5 Hash to query all this and give us a human-like response.
Ty będziesz zapowiadać?
Nie na scenie robić to.
We have then implemented text-to-speech in a human-like manner for them to hear it rather than read it, as it is difficult for us to read small text even with accessible tools like digital magnifiers. Thank you everyone for listening to our presentation.
Thank you. Now it's time for AI superposition crew. And next up, team less than 3.
Ho. Już dzisiaj nic nie streamujemy, nie?
Streamujemy Winnersów o 17:15 z głównej sceny. Więc będziesz musiał iść do Tech Guys tam i się z nimi dogadać. Może też im włączyć kamerę, bo oni mają sprzęt.
We bring the solution on the insurance client agent there. How this is providing a solution, every participant might have the experience of connecting with insurance to climb the insurance payer, right? And it would be very difficult to everyone. At least it will take 2 to 4 days to climb the insurance. Now, this is why I come to the solution. We as a team, we came to the solution to build the agentic AI out of it. Okay. My slide is taking time, that's fine. I can explain you the solution. The solution which we provide here is intelligently our agentic AI is building the solution that is explaining how the decisions we have to make. And then number two, it explains clearly how we can, whether we have to approve it or no. Whether we have approved it or no. We are implementing human in the loop in the solution. Okay. So that's not our problem, and the solution is first it will understand the evidence by uploading the images, files in the PDF format, and also with the papers. And if you go to the insurance, you can see all will be worked on the papers and documents, right? Now everything will be easy. This is called the architecture. To explain it clearly, we have, and this is our architecture. First is to use the okay. It's better we can provide the demo here. Yeah, this is our flow and this is our demo. How this works.
Okay, so we can see quick demo here. Our front end is deployed in one cell. The user friendly experience for the consumer to submit their claim. The details will be shared, the accident photos. Our solution also enables users to submit documents and details extracted in the OCR and will be saved to further analysis. We have implemented Opus workflow which will visualize the stages of the processing and orchestration. You can see it is transparent. And for the reviewer also, it will go to the human loop we have implemented for the review stage. Now, if you see, it should go to the review stage and so submitted claim will appear here and you can see the transparency what all agents have done their analysis
It helps reviewer to approve or reject the claim, and you can either escalate if there is some problems detection, or you can approve the claim. For the demonstration purpose, we are just approving the claim, and the claim has been approved. Now, just we saw how 3-4 days of process has been just compressed to just few seconds of work for consumers as well as insurance companies. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And now I'd like to invite to the stage Team Less Than Free. Team Less Than Free.
Hiring teams productivize everything for those investors. Because millions of productivity. What if one platform could solve all of this? Niche jobs. Just reliable virtual execution system. Jarvis is the only end-to-end AI workflow platform covering smart access communication, AI-powered identity verification, and strategic cloud agenda. No more fake campus. AI every stage, 8 years verified checker. Live AI review with Christmas features, instant feedback, 30-minute reviews, zero bias. Performance tracker, real-time metrics, screen time, workflow patterns, typing activity, output efficiency, complete productivity visibility. Auto team assembly. AI matches team assembly, team members using flash performance and collaboration data. 30 to 50% productivity increase. One platform, dedication to team optimization. Our revenue model has three tiers: SaaS subscription, monthly per user pricing for small to medium businesses with cloud-based access, enterprise licensing, unlimited utilization of deployment with custom modules for large-scale companies. Add-on modules, individual feature like integration, performance analysis, and team assembly, sold separately. We're targeting the 30 billion on the HR, tech, and enterprise productivity market, which is growing at 15% annually. Companies using Java save between $50,000 to $100,000 annually in recruiter time and productivity gains alone. Make more all features work locally without the employees. You are going to see the system. Now let me show you Jarvis in action. This is smart access. The AI-powered identity verification is Gemini. And is the right. This is where the documents are the data is stored in vector models that can be uploaded. You can ask questions. The AI will reply. Then we have the AI engine. And there's a job creation.
A Surcia są nagrody? Są?
Thank you.
Thank you. We've got 2 more teams to go. Team Stellar Engineers. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is
Yeah, it's okay.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Louder, closer.
Hope you can hear me. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Safa, and the rest of our team members are from Pakistan and USA. And I'm the only member that is present on site from our team. And it is my first hackathon, so join me. So our team Stellar Engineers has built an insurance processing app. And our system automates insurance claims processing and reduces the likelihood of fraud. It works by using multimodal. There are samples that can be generated by going to the data generation and approval tab, which is where I recommend you start. Then you hit the audio generation
Możemy, to jest ta prezentacja, która będzie wyświetlana dzisiaj. To możemy
Dlatego
dodać,
napisałam od razu do mnie, że to nie może tak wyglądać.
możemy dodać ten slajdy te SEA Golden Tickets.
Tak.
A tu są Surge nagrody też?
Tak.
No.
Więc wejdź na Slacka, bo ja nie wiem nic o tym SEA, nie?
Nic nie mogę. No to SEA, po prostu 2 slajdy SEA Golden Tickets i jeden slajd i drugi slajd i tyle.
Za 5 minut zakończymy streama i napisz to, że nie robi. Ja na kanale i właśnie też widziałam.
Ale to, wystarczy skopiować któryś. Czy nie da się? Co?
Sprawdź Slacka, jak skończysz streama, wiesz? I tam im napisz bezpośrednio. Julia i Daniel zaraz są.
This means 50 million in savings and processing means 14,000 times faster. It is designed to be scalable. Our Qdrant cloud cluster can handle millions of vectors. We process 1,000 plus claims per minute on the free tier and scale horizontally with additional nodes. Our system can search across millions of claims using natural language and show similar claims as well. So I understand I was kind of just talking more than actually going through the slides, but my team leader will actually be able to go through these and explain a lot better. I hope my brief has explained it. This is what the app looks like. Give you a brief, and thank you so much for having a great time. Thank you very much, and we've got one last team, Team Wizard. Team Wizard, are you here with us?
No, I can help you, sorry.
So which network is coming? Which Wi-Fi is working?
This one, but it has problems connecting with computer. I don't know why.
How can I use it? How you connect?
I'm using phone.
Phone.
This is the last request I'm asking. I'm sorry to bother you. I know
Yeah.
you have a valuable time. I came here from Abu Dhabi. The last 2 days I spent
Yeah,
it here. The
what is it? You
problem
want to
is
pitch?
no. I
Submit.
submitted the project,
Oh.
but still now nothing is. At least like
But we can do it.
acknowledgement will be fine. But earlier you asked, nothing happened.
Chyba nic nie możemy.
I
nie?
didn't even sleep like.
The submission.
Yeah,
Let's
earlier we
finish the
talked.
last pitch. Give us a moment.
Yeah.
Just looking on the work, it's fine.
We just wrap up.
Sure.
pitches.
I think we're gonna add extra prizes. So we're gonna add like say golden tickets.
So you can add it in one different section on the search prices.
No, we're gonna add it as a different price.
Section.
Yeah.
So you can
I
use.
don't know. I don't know if you will be.
For Team Prisma. Team Prisma. You put
I called multiple times, yeah, and we're running out. No, that's why I was calling you multiple times. Unfortunately, we're done.
Does it affect for the results?
No. You submitted on LabLab, you just upload that. That's just an extra thing. Because we've got last 2 minutes, exactly. Yeah. I'm sorry. We don't have.
I don't
No,
think you're
sorry.
ready. I'm not gonna call you on stage. You're already gonna be on some stage, so we're gonna say our representatives maybe in the next, and then we're gonna be on the slide, like the winner slide, where it's gonna be say a golden ticket. It's gonna be like the name of the project, and then the second. You don't need to choose, but you have to choose the project.
So we select how many members you have? 3?
No, 15.
Thank you for visiting Bizarro today.
So
The problem is basically
So we choose our winners.
I know the project, so I can choose for you which one you need for implementation. But I don't know where I'm from, but I have projects as well. But
Okay. So take me through again 2 projects. That's good.
you have 2 tickets. Yeah. You have 2 slides in the presentation. It's gonna be shown on the next
the proposed solution involves
you can go like
AI integrated
sponsor, then choose extra rewards, and then visualization, and then you then announce it. Then on the stage, I think teams meeting, I don't know, and then you just I will see. I don't know what will be the. If you're gonna have just to be confirmed, but I think you're gonna be on stage.
If you can confirm it, because we need to let them know who we are doing for this. Okay.
What is your team name once again?
Looks not AI.
Now I'll come to you.
I heard you this last team.
It's gonna be at 5 p.m. probably.
I was calling you multiple times and you did not come. It was like 20 minutes ago. I was on stage, I was calling you. I had you.
Now?
20, no, we ran out of time.
Because you will take
20 minutes ago, I was calling you on stage. I was here and I was calling you.
I heard you.
You can watch the live feed. I was calling you multiple times. I'm sorry.
I can't wait now. I can't.
We are running out of time. That's the last one. I'm sorry. Because really, I was calling you on stage. Yeah, I'm sorry. I tried.
There we get exposure, so
No, like you see, I was going one team by team.
What did you
I was
say?
going team by team, calling everybody.
and also we choose the best teachers to get and show exposure like Fire, which is the best project to get possibly incubated by the sound and also by the search. So because you get exposure basically. Like you still might be down, who knows, but it's
There are
exposure.
no investors here. So
I don't know, maybe some investors still watching us. But I think that
there is some place here as well where you can talk to investors.
like founders.
Founders launch. I am the founder.
So
How do I detect who is the founder and who is the we just talk? Yeah. But I think there is a time, 3:40 it starts, right? Or I think
no idea. I
And
don't
the
know.
time is
I'm
up. Thank you
here
very
for the
much.
hackathon.
You
No
just
idea.
chose to watch 30 pitches of the on-site participants of the AI Genesis Hackathon. And this is everything for the pitching part. I love to mention that we've also got the online teams building with us today, and right now all the teams have submitted their solutions and we're judging them right now. And we'll be back with the stream at 5:15 p.m. Dubai time with the winner ceremony stream live from Dubai Fashion Conference. See you at that time.
Or wait,